Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hi, guys. All right, so first up is these shoes on the table. I literally listed them a few minutes ago, and they pretty much sold right away on Facebook Marketplace. So these are some Native shoes. That is the brand. If you haven't heard me talk about this 1,000 times, it's a really good kids shoe, and adults too, but the kids ones seem to sell quicker, and not for more money, obviously, but a lot quicker.
Yeah,
so
they're more desirable than the adult shoes.
Yeah. I tried a pair on, and I was just like, I can't imagine wearing these all day. They'd make my feet like
sweaty.
Yeah, just all wet.
Sticky. Ugh.
Don't like it. So
it's what I imagine Crocs feel like, but
I always wear my Crocs with socks.
You're a Crocs with socks person, huh?
Yes. So these sold for $18, and then again, we're still with the free shipping labels with Facebook, so buyer didn't have to pay for shipping, and yeah, I had $5.99 and $5.95 into those as my average cost of goods at the Once Upon a Child that day. So box R. So last night I didn't get any new listings up, but during Joey and Drew's Monday night listing live, I didn't write on the board. I cross-posted I think 40 or 50 listings to Facebook Marketplace, just because I want to hopefully get those 40 sales in the next couple of weeks, and also there's a lot of stuff that's older, and I just want to see it go. Yeah. So 3 pairs of shoes have sold from those pairs I listed last night. I listed them a little lower than I would normally, but because I've had them for close to a year, I just wanted to see them go. So these Merrell sold for $15 on Facebook Marketplace. Again, buyer got free shipping, and I had $5.99 into those originally, but after a year, I just want to see them go.
Do you think we're going to end up using all those free shipping labels we got?
I'm hoping. I probably have already used 10, maybe.
Okay.
I mean, it's still June 4th.
June 4th, okay. So that's not very far away, yeah.
No, but if we keep listing, I mean, I've been making like 5 sales a day on Marketplace, I feel like. I mean, I have 4 today, had some yesterday, so. This was another pair that sold. These are some SAS. And those sold for $20 plus shipping, and I had $5.99 into those as well, but I've had them since last August. This last pair I've also had since last August. I've never sold this brand before. I only grabbed these because they were a larger size and they looked basically brand new. The brand is Ross Homerson, so I'm not going to recommend picking it up, but yeah. So these sold for $20 plus shipping on Marketplace. And I had $6.99 into those ones.
And how long did those take, you said?
Well, they sold, right. I've had them since last August, but on Facebook they sold in a couple hours.
Right after cross-posting, gotcha.
Yeah. All right. These are some Lulu and Rue kids jogger pants. These were my son's. I don't remember what I paid for them. I'm guessing probably around $15, and I sold them for $18 plus shipping, and my kid wore them a lot.
It's one of those good Bolo brands to look out for kids' clothes.
It's definitely not a bad one to look out for. I don't think I've ever found it. Maybe one time at Once Upon a Child. It's not that super common.
Not common, yeah. It's a smaller company, yeah.
And those sold on Kitizen as well. And then these sold on eBay. These are some, I'm pretty sure you say it Joie.
Oh, Joie?
I think. But
that's
I'm not
one of them fancy French brands.
Yeah. So these I actually bought at, what was it, Marshall's. I think it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Retail arbitrage for $15. So that was like a lot, but
yeah.
The retail price on these says $248, so I thought I could get 40 even, at least. But nope. Again, I've had those I think I've only had those maybe since September, but when I pay $15 for something, I want it to sell fairly quickly, so I had a watch on them on eBay today. I sent them an offer of $24 plus shipping, so not making very much money there, but getting my money back. This just sold on Poshmark, one of the bras. I think it's this one. Perfect coverage, 40G. So this one sold on Poshmark for $25. That was an offer I accepted. They didn't leave a message, but I don't know, because I mentioned the bras in one of the last videos and saying make an offer, I feel like it might be a viewer. So Tracy, if you're a viewer, thank you so much. And if not, thank you so much to this buyer. right, so DA.
Reese had to come up here to take a nap.
Yeah. I'm looking out the window. Two favorite things. Alright, so these are some Alegria, like a Mary Jane shoe. So these were a smaller size of 37, I believe, which is like a 6.5, 7. I have trouble selling those smaller sizes, like I mentioned. If I had to only, you know, I want to like pick things like this up because I know they will sell, but I wish they'd sell quicker. But if I could only source certain sizes, I would do, if we're talking Euro sizing for women, like 39 to 42 is where I'd be at. But when I'm at a store and I see some Alegrias, I just almost always buy them. So these did sell. It took a little bit, but they sold for $35 with discounted shipping, and I had originally paid $8.99 for them. So still made some money.
Yeah, we're in one of those markets where we can't find enough stuff that just sells super fast. So we have to, you know, have some of our inventory that's more long tail, that takes longer to sell. Eventually it all sells and averages all out and all that. So it would be nice to be able to get stuff that was, you know, sold the same day, next day, all the time.
A lot of stuff does, but yeah. So this also sold on Posh. It's a Wrangler Pearl Snap, size 3X, sold for $17 with discount shipping, and I had originally paid $2.50 for this. When I say discount shipping, it's generally $4.99 is what I send the person. Sometimes I use that $5.95 newer one, but usually I do the $4.99. B-O. What's up?
What you doing? What you doing?
So we sold these little Ugg booties for less than I would have liked, but I had them on Facebook Marketplace and somebody was asking me 1,000 questions about them, so I just took the offer I had on Posh so that I could delete it from all the other platforms. Honestly, so I have $5.95 into these average cost of goods. Once Upon a Child actually sells these for like $2.50 to $3.50, but since I averaged, we were saying $5.95. And yeah, I accepted a $15 offer on them, so really just doubling my money on those. Normally I can get about 20 to 30 out of those. All right, BG. So these Duluth Trading Company jeans, I have $8.99 into them and sold them for $24 plus shipping on Mercari. And then last but not least, BV. So these FloJo's flip-flops on Mercari for $20 plus ship, and I have $2.99 into those guys. So yeah,
very nice.
Decent little day.
Yeah, not too bad. But we'll go ahead and get the stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got that all packed up, and we actually started recording another haul video. So we're kind of recording 2 videos at once right now.
We didn't just have one last sale come through. So these were the bog boots. These were my son's, actually both my kids have worn them at this point. I got them off Kiddies in a while back for $17. And even after they both wore them, I sold them for $20 plus shipping. So I made all my money back. Yeah, my kids had boots for a couple winters.
Very nice.
So yeah, and then what else were we gonna say?
Well, we've just been plugging away.
Yeah,
Let's see.
I listed 6 so far shoes today. And actually those natives that we sold in the beginning were one of those 6. So those sold right away.
You did do, I think you said like 50 something cross lists on Monday.
Night, but I don't put the cross lists on here just because
Is it just new listings?
Yeah, so I do a lot more work than this board shows, but yeah, the cross listings I don't really count. I only count the newly listed, so completely new items.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll get some more up tonight. I think Chris is gonna grill us some food, so
yeah,
I'll probably do some listings while he cooks because I don't really cook because I don't like cooking. So yeah.
But yeah, we've got a couple haul videos that we've been, well, recording. I guess we just started recording one, but we do have a couple on the books to record. I think this is what's going to be finished up in the last of the haul we're in the middle of recording right now. And that's the one that Kathy went up with Amber and Greg up at the Denver Bends. Amber resells and Greg with Rocky Mountain Resell. So whenever that comes up, if it's before this video, make sure you go check it out.
Yeah. And then we have one more haul, which is all the stuff we bought in our 6 hours. My 6 hours mostly of thrifting yesterday, so
Yeah.
I'll do that one
Which
as well.
I'm excited about that one because I found some stuff that I've been wanting to.
And he hasn't
to
seen
source.
what I found after he left, so
Yeah.
he's kind of excited to see what I found, even though he's
Not as
he
excited.
doesn't care about clothes as much as I do.
I
so.
care. I care plenty.
He cares about me selling them for money, but he doesn't care about actual clothes.
I try.
So.
Well, yeah, I think that's it. We still have the stuff that we've been meaning to do for this week.
I mean, I've been doing the shoes as I list them. I've been bagging and putting them
Yeah.
right away, so it's a little smaller of a pile than we showed a day or two ago.
For sure. But that is going to do it for this What's Old video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We do got to get this stuff off to the post office and go pick up Connor from school, which I think tomorrow is his last day of school. So we're going to start, I think, 2 more days of Cy going to school, or maybe 3.
Yeah, this week.
So this is the last week of our kids going to school. So after this week, summer starts. Kids will be home full time, and I don't know. I think we'll have a little bit more time to work on more videos and stuff like that. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll see what life is once kids are both home. Yeah. So with the kids home, my mother, who is usually here to watch the kids every once in a while, so we can go on a date night. She's up in Washington with my younger sister, who's having a baby, so she's going to be up there for a few months. She's got her camper van, and she's kind of camping out, trying that life out. So working from her little mobile office and helping my sister out with her new baby girl. So that's what we got going on right now, guys. We're going to go ahead and call it a day, and we'll see you guys in the next one.